are going to paint and so much fun. So let's begin. Are you ready, kids? Let's start.
Alright kids, in this video Parishay will teach you how to color using her favorite crayons and some neon colors, oil pastels and crayons. She will color this beautiful doll in vibrant colors. Okay, are you ready for your art project?
Yes!
Alright, so let's begin.
Kids, these are my favorite crayons.
Good job.
The dress is done.
Now let's move on to her hair and face.
Let's color her hair.
Alright, now the face.
The face is done. Now move on to the body.
Okay. Let's use these vibrant colors. Here you go, Parishay. Use these neon colors to make her dress more beautiful. Which color do you like the most?
Green. Let's use green color.
Alright, Parishay, which color is the pink color?
This is pink color.
This is pink color. Alright. Color her arms and hands with pink.
Let's color her feet orange.
Okay.
I'm all done, Mommy.
Alright, darling. Show me your painting.
Okay.
Oh wow, you did a great job, Parishay. Beautiful. Now, what do you say? I think we can make her dress more beautiful. I think we can put these glitter beads and decorations on her dress. What do you think?
Wow!
Alright, grab the glue. Let's do this.
Oh wow.
Alright, Parishay. Which one of these is your favorite?
Orange.
Orange? And
Yes.
what else?
Purple.
And what about these? Blue hearts?
Put lots of glue on her dress.
Alright, let's put lots of glue on her dress. And with the help of an old brush, spread the glue evenly on her dress.
Put all of them here.
Alright,
Like this.
yes, just take 2 and 3 and sprinkle them on her dress.
This. Like this.
One by one, place them on her dress. Come on. Now let's try another color. How about we take these and put them on her dress?
I've got the purple and blue sequins.
Purple and blue sequins? Alright. Let's take them. Sprinkle them on her dress. You sprinkle them and I'll press them with the end of your brush. Triangles? What shape is this?
Triangle.
It's a triangle.
Can you please put diamonds on the doll first?
Diamonds?
Yes.
Show me. Wow, you've got diamonds. Alright, let's put them on her dress. But I think we'll need more glue for that. Come on, let's sprinkle them. Alright, we are done with the dress.
Oh wow!
Now, what do you think, Parishay? I'm thinking of putting a few beads in her hair.
Okay.
Let's put some glue in her ponytail. That's it. Great job, Parishay. Now let's open the beads while I spread this glue in her ponytails. Alright, let's put them in her hair. Help me. Great job. Wow, she looks so pretty. Just like my Parishay.
The doll is done.
Wow, Parishay, you did a great job. Such a pretty doll.
Okay, I did it.
Alright, Parishay, since you did a great job decorating your doll and coloring it, I'm gonna give you a sticker from the Sticker-tastic book.
Yay!
So, this is our Sticker-tastic book. Since you did a great job on the doll, Parishay, I'm gonna give you heart stickers from this book.
Wow.
Let's take out one sticker and place it on your doll. Alrighty. Now let's reserve these stickers for your next project.